So this must be the workshop where toys are made.
And it looks like Santa's gonna have to deliver a letter up to heaven. Because that's my wish. I want to see my dead voice actor again. I want $1 billion!
Sasquatch, no.
I'll sneak up on it.
Sasquatch, don't you frickin' dare.
But did it scare away its hiccups?
Sasquatch, you're one step close to the naughty list.
Even the mighty Sasquatch is not strong enough.
I can't lift it.
I have osteoporosis.
I had the hiccups once, and someone tickled me and it got rid of them.
It's worth a try. Animal Mechanicals.
That didn't work.
Well, at least I didn't get knocked down.
Uh-oh. Is the copycat hiccuping again?
Komodo, I think I have...
Well, gang, it's that time again. We should start delivering these toys and goodies.
You're right, Komodo. We won't leave Christmas behind us.
Mechanic, can we do it?
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs.